Well, hello there. It's just me and my tea again. And since the holidays are just around the corner, I'm super excited to be trying on and unboxing, woohoo, the new Holo Taco Frosted Metals collection. And this box is absolutely fantastic and so super duper shiny. And here we see on the sides, it has some fabulous holo stars. So let's see what's on the inside, shall we? In the 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Wow! You deserve a medal. Definitely agree with that. We have some fabulous holo designs and we have our 5 frosted medals right here. So let's get swatching, shall we? So here we have our first frosted metallic. This is the color Cold Shoulder, and it is a wonderful deep blue, and I cannot wait to see how this looks because I love a good dark blue. So here is how Cold Shoulder looks like with one coat. I definitely think this will be a 2-coater, as Cristine said, so let's see how the second coat looks. So here we have Cold Shoulder with 2 coats, and it definitely is a fabulous frosted blue, and it's definitely perfect maybe if you want to have a Elsa themed nails. I think these would be absolutely fabulous. So let's see what our next polish looks like. So, funny thing with the next nail polish is, I was looking at the bottom and I was going, oh, there's no name on the bottom. It must be a gift receipt label. Well, I guess the joke's on me, because the name of the next polish is Gift Receipt. So let's see what this gorgeous silver foiled nail polish looks like. So here we have Gift Receipt in 2 coats, and I am loving this silver color. It's almost, I don't know, almost like the color of liquid mercury, and it just is fantastic, and it has more dimension than just a plain silver nail polish, and I definitely give this one thumbs up, and definitely no need to return this with a gift receipt. So up next we have the beautiful bronze color that is Cheap Champagne. Now I think this is just fabulous. I've been looking a long time for a nice copper color, and this definitely ticks all the boxes. So let's see how this applies to our nails, shall we? So after 2 coats of Cheap Champagne, my nails are looking and feeling fine. Now the only thing that I could say is we have a beautiful silver and a beautiful copper. Cristine, please come out with a metallic gold, please. Time for our next nail polish. So here we have our next color. This is Mint Money. It is a fabulous mint green, and you don't really see many green nail polishes out there, and I think this one is going to be really cool and really unique, and possibly my favorite of the collection. So let's test it out, shall we? So here we have Mint Money in 2 coats, and I love how this applied, and it actually only took 1 coat for this one, so I was really surprised with that. And I definitely think this will make for some really fun Christmassy nail art, or a nice accent nail with maybe a crimson nails on the rest. But I'm definitely loving this color. Let's see what our last one looks like, shall we? So now, as we can see, we are down to our last polish, but wait. What's this on my other hand? Yes, it is the pink that is the one, the only, Menchie the cat. Applied in 2 coats, and definitely the life of any party with its fabulous pink hollowness. Now back to the rest of the nail polishes. So last but not least, we have this gorgeous frosted metallic pink, and this is the color Fake Date, and I really love this. It is a great metallic pink, and I absolutely cannot wait to see what this looks like on my nails. So here we have fake date in 2 coats, and there is nothing fake about this metallic pink. It is the real deal. And very, very cool. Oh yeah. And now it is time for the mandatory narcissistic montage. Well, everyone, here we have our 5 fabulous metallic colors, and I definitely think they will be the hit of any holiday party. Especially if maybe you use a Holo Taco tutorial for your fabulous holiday nail art. Well, everybody, I hope you have enjoyed this swatching, unboxing, and review. I definitely think my top favorites are all of them. I can't pick a favorite. I definitely think that they are all fabulous, and I cannot wait to see what Cristine comes up with next. So everybody, thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new, go ahead and click that subscribe button right there so you never miss my videos ever again. And if you're interested in watching some more Holo Taco videos, unboxing, and tutorials, go ahead and click right here. Thank you so much for watching, everybody, and I'll see you all later.